How to make an easy, Old Bay seasoned air fryer chicken wingettes my way. You know I'm going to show you step by step how to make these wings, right? You know what time it is. Stop playing. Bruh, come on, let's go. Using a large bowl, place all of the chicken wingettes into the bowl. Cover the chicken wingettes with cool or cold water and the white distilled vinegar. Soak the chicken wingettes for 20 to 30 minutes in the vinegar and water mixture. Using a colander, pour all of the chicken wingettes into the colander. Rinse the chicken wingettes several times in cold or cool water. Remove any hair or feathers on the chicken and discard it. Your clean chicken wingettes will not taste like vinegar. Using paper towels, remove any excess liquid from the cleaned chicken wingettes. Then place them into a clean bowl. Add the onion powder, the garlic powder, the Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, and the olive oil. Mix all of the seasonings well into the chicken wingettes. You know what? These wings look a little naked to me. You know what time it is. Add a little bit more of that Old Bay seasoning and stop playing. For great seasoning flavor, marinate the chicken wingettes from 1 hour and up to 24 hours. Allow the chicken wingettes to reach room temperature before adding to the air fryer. Turn the air fryer temperature dial to 400 degrees. Set the timer for 10 minutes. This step is purely optional. I prefer to preheat my air fryer before adding the chicken wingettes. Carefully remove the air fryer basket after preheating for 10 minutes. Using the oil spray of your choice, spray several times the metal plate or trivet at the bottom of the air fryer basket. Carefully add the chicken wingettes skin side down to the metal grating or trivet. If you prefer, you can add another layer of the chicken wingettes on top of the bottom layer inside the air fryer basket. This will not affect the cooking process. Place the air fryer basket into the air fryer. Set the timer for 10 to 12 minutes at 400 degrees. When the air fryer has stopped cooking, carefully remove the air fryer basket and turn the wings over. Add a little Old Bay to the top of the chicken wingettes. This step is purely optional. Return the air fryer basket back into the air fryer and set the timer for 10 to 12 minutes. Please take note that air fryers cook super fast and at high temperatures. Small chicken wingettes may require less time, while larger chicken wingettes may require more. Continue cooking and adjust your cooking time accordingly. And here you have it, the easy Old Bay seasoned air fryer chicken wingettes my way. Super easy, super fast, seasoned, crispy on the outside, moist and juicy on the inside. A beginner friendly's favorite. You know what time it is. Give this recipe a try and stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. The beat bump in this video is called Toe Jam by music producer Diamond ORTIZ, available at the YouTube free audio library. You know what time it is. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.